Hello everybody, this video is to help you if you think you installed the JDK but you're having trouble compiling Java programs from the command line. So the first thing to do is double check that the JDK is installed in the folder where you expect it to be. So in Windows, that's in the C drive inside program files, not program files x86, and then inside Java. So if you see a JDK in there, mine's JDK 12, but you should have a JDK that says 1.8. That means that you should have a JDK installed. But maybe when you try and access the JDK by saying where Java C, maybe it doesn't work. If you're in Linux or Mac, you would type which Java C. So if these aren't working, what that means is that even though you have the Java C program, it's not part of your system path, which means that your operating system doesn't know where to find that program when you try and run it from the command line. The system path is an example of what's called an environment variable. So just like you have variables while you're programming that hold important information, your operating system also has some important variables that are built into the operating system. And your system path is one of those. And the path is just a list of folders that contain programs that you might need to execute. And whenever you type the name of a program in your terminal that you might want to run, if the program you're trying to run isn't inside the folder where you currently are, so here, for example, I'm in my user folder. If I try and run Java C is not inside my user folder. It's located inside C drive, program files, Java, JDK, whatever. So the way the operating system knows where to find that program is it looks at the list of folders that are inside this special path variable. So if you want to make sure that your programs can run from anywhere, you have to make sure and put the folder where your program executable lives inside your path variable. You can view your path variable this way. If you're on a Mac or you're in Linux, you can type echo $path, and that will show your complete path. If you're in Windows, I think you can just type path. Yeah, so if you're in Windows, you just type the word path, and that'll show you your system path. If you want to actually change your path, let's do it not on the command line. Let's do it through the Windows menu system. Down here, if you type env, you'll see something that says edit the system environment variables. And so you can click the environment variables button down here at the bottom. And you've got environment variables for your user account and then also the system environment variables. So inside your user account, go down to the one that says path and click edit. And you want to add a new entry to this environment variable. So you'd click new, and then, oh, it's going to make you type it. Oh, here, let's click browse. So you can click browse, and then you can navigate to the folder that you want to be in your path. So for you, you want that to be where you installed your JDK. So go to C drive, program files, Java, JDK 12, and then you want the bin folder because bin stands for binaries, and that's where all the executable programs live. So click OK, and you see that now we've added that to our path, and you can click OK, OK, OK. It's not automatically updated, so if it wasn't working before, you have to exit your terminals and reopen them in order for it to work. But hopefully that will fix your problem. Good luck!